So we got a video from Body Cam Leak, and the title of the video is entitled "Neighbor's Power Trip Backfires on Her Again." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they're talking about here. Hopefully this is a good one, man.
Got Helen in jail. She experiences jail. And she experiences goddamn handcuffs. Now have you been offended as an American? Me too. I don't want to be here. Take me to Africa, you sucking.
On April 15th, 2025 in Ohio, police were called when a woman insisted on pressing charges because her package was left at the wrong door.
I don't know what's going on, man.
I don't know.
All right.
She was yelling crazy shit and threatening her.
Okay. We'll see what the matter is.
You have a lampshade, a little wax plugged into the wall, a lock, a cord for the windows next doorbell come in, ring, wired into the wall, and a tiny house. Nothing in this goddamn house but windows closed.
Hello.
And a goddamn radio on.
Did you call?
She called.
Is it Helen that called?
Yes.
Okay.
And then the man across the hallway called too.
Okay. I talked to Helen just for a minute.
Yes.
Hello, are you Helen?
Yeah.
Did you said the aide delivered a package?
FedEx or
Oh,
something.
okay, gotcha.
And they put it in front of my door.
Mm-hmm.
And my aide just picked it up and brought it to me.
Your aide, okay,
and I
gotcha.
didn't look at it. And I just opened it and I saw that it was for her.
Yeah.
As soon as I saw it was for her, I took it to her.
Okay,
And I
no
told her,
problem.
I said, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to open this. I didn't even look at it, Sonia. I said, Nancy brought it to me and I didn't even pay attention. And she didn't say anything then, but now she's going nuts and she's been in the hall screaming and cussing. This is the third time.
But she has it in her apartment?
She threw it in the hallway and was trying to give it to me and I wouldn't take it.
Okay.
Put it back by her.
Okay.
But she told me that she's going to file federal charges on me for opening her mail and that I'm the reason she's getting addicted.
Yeah.
This is the third time that the laws come today.
Yeah.
And the guys,
I was here earlier.
Oh, were you?
Mhm.
I know that one of them said that if she does it again, they're going to take her.
Yeah. See what we can do here.
Sonia, come to the door.
What's
I
wrong?
have somebody broke a cell on my goddamn government phone and I am pissed.
What's the matter this?
I want to press charges. This goddamn woman right here. I want to press charges on her on my government goddamn phone.
What happened?
She broke the cells, got 17 president cells. Press charges on her now.
You have the phone?
No!
Looks like you do.
I want this replaced. See this? See this? It's a goddamn government phone.
The seal hasn't been broken. It's still
It's got codes, now shut up.
it's intact.
You see this truck? You see this paw print? Thumb, 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 thumb. You see this thumb? See this thumb? You see this thumb? See this thumb? You see these numbers?
Oh boy, she is cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. Oh my God. What? This lady is bugged out, boy. She bugged out. What? Damn, government giving out phones, man. Who started? I think Obama started that, right? He was giving out Obama phones or whatever. Yeah. Damn, government giving out phones. This is where our taxpayer dollars is going. All right, okay.
You see this name and numbers? You see name and numbers for the security? My name is Sonia, 5 letters. This switch on the phone free. And then you can click on that, you click on this, you click on my
You're done. Yeah. You're in the arrest.
No, I'm not!
Yeah, you are.
Now who opened my phone shit? Who opened my phone shit? I threw in the hallway. What, candy?
Got it.
It's a government phone. And somebody opened my mail in a hotel. They broke their cell on theft. Now I want Helen arrested too. We're both going handcuffed. Get Helen too. We're going together as twins. Get Helen. Let me pick up my trash.
No.
Get Helen.
No. Quit yelling at me. I've had enough.
No, Helen's going with me. She broke the seal. Give me the seal in my mouth. Give me the seal in my mouth and my license.
We're gonna leave it there.
No, you're not. You're locking my door. Give me my goddamn license and my purse.
Where's your keys?
You're giving me my license, my purse.
What?
You're locking the door, giving me my license, my purse, and you're taking Helen with me in cuffs. No!
Where's your keys at, Sonia? So we can lock
Give
the
me my goddamn purse on my neck, my f***ing ID on my crack, and you're arresting Helen for breaking a cell. She broke the law.
You got the keys up on the fridge, or was that just them?
They're always on the hook every goddamn time. To the left, you banana. You've never been back here. It's on the banana. Touch your dick at the banana.
There they are.
Put it on my hair.
Oh shit.
Get the goddamn envelope that is opened illegally.
Back up.
Get the goddamn that did it. Right now. Right mother now with me.
All right, your apartment's locked. Okay.
Get the goddamn that did it.
Let's go.
On a government phone. See this right here that kicked me out of the haunted hotel? You see that goddamn?
You can walk.
She fucking did it. And kicked in the goddamn nuts, you fucking love. You fucking witch on a switch. You want to my mouth, you dumpster. Slip and slide in blood on Freeport and Wi-Fi on the haunted hotel in Chile. Come on outside down your pole. On 13 orbits of teeth. You fucking sucker. Son of a mother. We got bear there. I'm gonna climb it like a monkey.
Have a good night, guys.
I got 10 y'all back. Got the goddamn keys put on my neck. Did you get my purse? Put it on my ID on my ass crack.
You don't need it.
I got shit to pay with.
Calm down.
It's jail, mother.
That's where you're going.
For Helen, too. Put Helen in jail. She experiences jail. And she experiences goddamn handcuffs.
You got her.
Handcuffs in goddamn jail.
What are you trying to do?
Put her in
I
handcuffs.
don't want to slip it.
And put her in jail. She rides and backs with me.
What the
You better
fuck?
put
What you think her breath smell like? What do you think the smell in general was inside of that house? She's a nut job, man. I wonder what the charge is, though. Is it going to be like disturbing the peace or disorderly conduct or whatever? Like, I wonder what they're going to charge her with.
I'll
You
take
put
it.
Helen in the other goddamn truck.
Start
You put Helen.
start knocking out some of the reports on me.
Well, get your ass in the car.
You put Helen in the other goddamn truck now. You're not picking up, but you're picking. I'm up with heavy. How much can you weigh? You want to unlock them so I can climb in? Okay, that's up December. Let's play pretend.
Get on that side over here, man. All right, come on.
Don't break me. I'm a leg and a half in a wheelchair. I can't. I'm a leg in a wheelchair.
Stand
I don't break
up.
my arms. I do. I'm a wheelchair.
Okay, well, stand
I'm
up.
paraplegic. I can't.
Stand
I'm
up.
handicapped. I can't. I have a wheelchair handicap
Stand up.
accessibility.
We know you can walk.
I legally can't.
Stand up.
You dropped me on the goddamn floor. I fell. I had hands to get up.
You kept pulling
This is
away from me.
illegal racism. I'm a handicapped woman and I fell. You have to give me arms to see under the handicapped woman. Give me a wheelchair. Give me a wheelchair. Abuse.
There you
God damn it.
go.
Okay, wait a minute. Okay.
Thank you.
So,
Slide in there.
don't trust my feet.
Okay.
Give me a minute to breathe.
Okay. Slide in there. Roll it on the window.
Yeah, how does in a wheelchair?
This was unnecessary. Slide your feet in there.
Not Helen.
I'm
I'm
annoyed.
gonna watch you. We're not playing pretend.
Get in the car now.
I can't. I gotta catch my leg.
Get in the car.
I can't get my left leg in without you smashing it. You're gonna have to help me with my left leg in because you're gonna smash in the board.
Sit up there on the seat where you
I can't
was.
because I don't have both hands. I'm short. I'm a mutant deformed. I'm a turtle. You got a turtle backpack and you wrap my arms to a backpack. I'm a turtle and you wrap my arms to a backpack. Can you wrap them in front, please, to my titties?
No.
Then how am I supposed to back up?
Come on.
Stand up.
Lay me down.
Get in there now.
I'm trying, but you're gonna break my wrist. You would
No.
really break my wrist.
Come on.
Okay, wait a minute. Let
I'm
me
trying to
try.
help you.
Let me stand
Scoot on
slow.
your butt
Yes,
into the
slow,
into the
yes, slow.
seat.
Don't do it mean I'm supposed to be. I might have
All
win.
right, ready? 1, 2,
You're gonna
3.
break my wrist. You will break my wrist.
Get up there.
God damn it! Your metal will break my wrist.
Get
I'm
up there.
deformed in a wheelchair.
Get in. There you go. Now pull your leg in.
That hurt. Good job. I'm a Teenage Mutant Turtle, and you can't put handcuffs behind me because I'm a handicapped with toe. I put them in the front of titties because I'm handicapped by law.
Sonya.
Self-defense lawyer now. You are the worst guy.
Damn, cops don't get paid enough to deal with that, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to you. They do not get paid enough to deal with that. What? Jeez.
Goddamn witch people I ever met in my goddamn life.
Mental
Worst
health is
humans in
real.
my goddamn life. And I can train a dog to protect somebody from a human before a human can drive a goddamn car without hitting me. And the mother titty. I was just telling them don't open my goddamn government mail check. It's a government phone, the only phone I've had. I got it. I worked hard to get it. I ordered it, and in 17 days I got it, and guess what? In 3 days I got my truck, and I did so much in that short amount of time. I left my house one goddamn time, and they destroyed my motherfucking wallet with my money and did 2 of everything in my wallet. And one time I left my door unlocked and trusted you stupid motherfuckers. 911 ain't worth no with a 1-0 to spell a goddamn name on a piece of plastic without shooting me in the forehead, you f***ing Bernie 5 piece of shit in America. I've been in my house for 7 months. I went to jail 3 times. I went to psych 7 times for crazy Sonya on a 5-letter word. Flipping 4 pennies in between my 4 fingers, you son of a... And I got 2 veteran sons, you piece of shit. And these rocks has to play with 2 big guns that salute me in the eye, and I flip off in the air, you can't come in my teeth.
God, my ear is throbbing just listening to her sound. Like, it's just like, God, mental health is such a real thing. She's talking 100 miles a minute, loud, obnoxious. Golly, shut the fuck up.
Teeth in a slide dumpster of mud, you piece of shit. And your metal jail cell is more comfortable than the goddamn naked sleeping little painted Xbox, little painted concrete pad and the goddamn landing of Columbus where they put their airplane for your whole goddamn state, for your whole motherfucking state of Ohio on a circle piece of paper and a pencil. So if you ain't a piece of pencil paper that says Ohio with an O in a circle, you can suck my balls, orgies, orifice, mouth, teeth, and eyeballs and put it through my eye and ask me the surface of my black to white to the veins of my eyeballs. Because you are a piece of shit. There's no phone to call for fire. There's no phone call to call for police or please help me in English with PLZ or no or yes. No, don't open my mail and yes, arrest me and take me straight to a goddamn airplane and get me the away from an American. Take me to Columbus Airport and get me the away from a goddamn American. Get me the away from America. You son of a white honky tonk. Goosey A to B, 1 to Z. Can't get a lawyer with a goddamn dollar quarter with a head on it. With 2 pieces of metal in between your finger. Bottle caps up. Print a coin and you can't hit a gumball machine in a candy shop to earn a lollipop in your mouth to suck it, you. Go put a lollipop in your 2-year-old's mouth, you fucking. And then pick another room to take and slip and slide blood out your wife's teeth, and then blood or eyeballs, and that's gonna look at you again funny, you piece of sucking. Now have you been offended as an American? Me too. I don't want to be here. Take me to Africa, you sucking monkey. You racist. Honky! Get me the f*** out of here, you sucking piece of shit. Come on, manhandle me like you did last time in a wheelchair. Manhandle me and throw me all over there. You don't know the dog, a cat, or a piece of fish to go fishing. Nothing but metal to scream. And water until it goes to air. And no water.
Alright.
Are you going to get me to Africa?
Huh? We're gonna get you out of this cruiser so we can send you up. You able to get out?
I got arrested for filing charges on how it opening my goddamn mail.
Alright, well, we'll get on. Come on.
You need to unlock the back and put him in the front. I'm handicapped in a wheelchair.
Are you able to walk?
No.
We're gonna get you out here. We're gonna nurse check you out, okay?
You guys have abused me so much. I'm going to Africa.
We're not gonna abuse you. We're gonna get you out here so we can have the nurse check you out, okay? I just need you to calm down. I know you're stressed out.
No shit, I'm upset.
I know you are,
You know what I went through to get a government phone?
but I just need
17 signatures of government assistance.
What's your first name?
And someone opened the goddamn
Boy, she need to be put by herself, boy, because if she get put in a holding cell with a bunch of different other people, they not putting up with all that yapping. Yap, 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 yap. Like, what? Them other inmates gonna get you right. They gonna get you right real quick, boy. Mental health or not, they gonna be what? Boy.
cell.
What's your first name?
Government knows everything you do on every number you do.
What's
And
your
she opened the fucking cell.
slide towards
God damn it.
Our hands are bracing your back,
You're
okay?
good. I got you.
You're able to shimmy over.
You didn't do that. Stop here in a wheelchair.
All right,
Yeah, the
we're
wheelchair's
gonna
out here, okay?
we're gonna shimmy over, all right? All right, scoot yourself over, okay?
Stand right.
Here we go.
I have Fritz on left.
All right, lean back, okay?
The woman was arrested and charged with disorderly conduct. If she is convicted, what do you think?
Golly.